Yeah. Shoot me a link. Drop. We're gonna drop. It's just gonna take 1 minute, guys. We're just gonna drop a few links everywhere, a couple places, so we can get rolling. If you're just joining, we are just getting started. So we're just dropping a couple links, get the video going. If you're just joining. Started 68 seconds ago. I don't think anybody's watching. Is it private or public? That's what we got to know. Let me try my other laptop. You know what I mean? Falker nuts. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. I had my volume turned off. My bad. Falker nuts. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. I had my volume turned off. My bad. Falker nuts. My bad. I hit the wrong button. I heard a bunch of echoes. Oh, we getting rolling? Is there people watching? I do. So, and the weird thing is, in the top, I see. In the top, I see me on video. To the right of that, I see Mike with black screen and my name in white, and then I see your picture. So something's different. Not the right one is down there. My bad. What? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So are we back on, or?
Should be good now.
Awesome, dude. Let's talk about the freaking crypto market. All right, dude. Where are we headed in the short term, dude? That's the biggest question on my freaking mind with all my money in the crypto market. I, just like Raoul Paul, am very irresponsibly long. I'm buying that t-shirt, by the way, too. I saw it. I looked it up. I seriously looked it up. It's 27 bucks. It's on his website, Real Vision.
Nice.
That dude's a freaking stud. I love him, dude. Anyways, so yeah, dude, are we good? Like, we're not private or anything. We're public. We're good to go. Everything?
Good.
All right. So my name is Mike. This is my good friend Corey. He actually got me into crypto in like 2014. Bought my first Bitcoin for like $500. Didn't know what it was. 2 weeks later, sold it for 450 bucks. Anyways, that got me involved, and that made me look into it far more when the bull run started in near the beginning of 2017. But anyways, we're semi-vets. We've been through a crypto cycle. We've got tons of insights that we want to share with you. again, this is my good friend Corey, and my name is Mike. So we're going to get rolling. Where's the market headed in the short term? My first answer for you is I'd love to say it's bullish, but that is not the answer. That is the truth. When you stare at, and this is contrary to like all other big YouTubers, Bitboy Crypto, the biggest blah, blah, blah thing in the channel and the whatever. Great, dude. Why are you so bullish, man? I just seen your video earlier today. And yeah, dude. No, dude. You can't be saying ETH is going to 3,000. Like, no, dude.
It's unrealistically bullish, it seems.
He's is what? What'd you say?
So he seems unrealistically bullish at times.
Unrealistically bullish. Maybe semi-manipulative, trying to push the market up when it's not time. The market doesn't want to go up.
Right.
But anyways, or just a fundamental headstrong bull. Like he's just so sound in fundamentals. No, hey, guess what, dude? That's not how a market works. It is if you're just going to do some like, I want to hold for a year or 2 years or 5 or 10 years. If you know the fundamentals, great, dude. If you want to make money in the bet, like the most money you possibly can, dude,
right,
you have to know when the market's dipping and know when to enter. And you have to know when to chill out, dude. He was just like, I don't know. I would, in this market right now, I would not advise anybody to buy. I'm not going to advise anybody to do anything because I can't. But what I'm saying is, this is not financial advice, blah, blah, blah. That's YouTube stuff.
Only. So we're not financial advisors. It's just entertainment.
Right. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, but I am I bet I'm more experienced than most licensed financial advisors when it comes to crypto.
Sure.
So anyways, look at the freaking charts, man. What I'm saying is this, dude. We're more than likely going to retest Bitcoin's low at 51K or at 44, 45K at the 20-week SMA.
Let's pull the chart.
I was calling this yesterday. I pulled out 45 grand worth of Cardano and it's going to the moon, and all these YouTubers saying like it's going to run crazy and all this shit. I just don't believe it. I don't buy into the hype. I buy into the technical analysis and then measure it against a lot of other things like market sentiment, hype, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera.
Yeah. I mean, it looks like it's going to drop. Look, like short term. If you look at the charts, it looks like it's going to hit this 53K support and continue downwards. Like you said, 51. Now, what it does it there, I don't know. Is it going to just bounce and just fly back up, or is it going to continue to break through that 51,000 support?
I mean, so dude, a couple other people that are really serious, heavy TA, they were saying that it's probably going to touch that retest that 20-week SMA, so that 20-week moving average.
Mm-hmm.
That is in the 45K area of Bitcoin. That's tough. So that said, anyways, I prepared for that, dude. I made a major sale, not major, but 45 grandish, 40 grand, and in preparation for this because I know it's going to drop. Also, think about a lot of other things, dude. When the entire market is saying it's going one way, what happens?
It goes the other way.
It goes the other way.
Yeah.
So we got a few smart guys and a few intelligent people on YouTube that are saying like Benjamin Cohen. Shout out to Ben, dude. He's super sharp. He's constantly focused on the TA, and he's saying that we're going to retest 44 or 45. I really do believe that. I do buy into that, but also I'm thinking, who knows? We're in super bullish moment in the market cycle, in a very bullish cycle. So that in that state, the default is up versus a bear market where the default is down. So if it has to make its decision and it goes to the default, it might just retest just the 51K. Maybe just go there. Even so, I'll make more money from the Cardano that I sold at $1.20. I'm sure it'll dip lower than that.
Right.
That's my thoughts on that, dude. What do you think, Corey?
I agree. I mean, I think it's going to drop down at least 53 short term, and it will probably fight that 51,000 level. If it does break through, though, it's not good for the price. It's gonna probably continue down this next level, which, like you said, 45,000, right in the middle of that. I don't hope it goes there, but if it does, it's a good time to buy in. I mean, I think long term, obviously, we're going to be going up. We're just on a downward path right now, in my opinion.
What are we on right now? This one, is it like the hourly or what is that?
It's hourly, yeah.
Go to like the daily, or let's like zoom, like do as a like everybody says, when in doubt, zoom out.
Right.
Look at that monster, dude. That's what I'm saying, dude. We have shot up like a beast. And what I'm saying is it would only make sense along the path that there is a correction. Is that going to happen now? It sure as heck looks like it. Just the way things are panning out, or the way things are looking technically. Also, like I said, can we just go straight up? Not really, or in this insane vertical.
Right.
Extremely doubtful. It's super unhealthy.
If it does, go up,
what's that?
I said if it does do that, most likely it will crash the next few days.
Oh no, I'm talking about it from now until the end of the bull cycle. Is it just going to go in this mass vertical? No, it's going to have some big correction, maybe some sideways action for a month or two. I mean, that's what happened in 2017. And in 2013, it was a vast difference in between two mini bullish cycles or bullish mountains. You know what I mean? So, and it had many months in between, many. And it was all part of still the same cycle. So we're super bullish now. I know that we're more aware now. So many people are aware now that weren't before, because it's everywhere. It's in the news everywhere. The other final thought that I have is, or other thought that I have on this is what about the other big CRR that yes, went back in because they already bought their billion or their 350 million worth 2 months ago, and they're 50 or 75% up. They're going to sell it, and that could be what's happening, and drive the price down back to 44 and buy back in.
Sure.
And ride it again, and they might do that through this whole bullish cycle because it's opportunity. So they're good at buying, and they're good at selling to take their profits, but they don't understand this is a long road thing, and they're probably not taking it as seriously as myself and other billionaires, Michael Saylor. I'm joking, not other. I'm definitely not a billionaire, but anyways, man, yeah, they're going to want back in. And then also, they probably got a bunch of other corporations that are buddies that they rub elbows with that want in. So they might be all dumping and coordinating a dump just so their buddies can get a fellow corporation. Well, I got an executive over at Apple. They're talking about they want to buy a food. You know what I mean? So
yeah, coordinated.
A downward makes sense. It's healthy. It's part of the market cycle. It's inevitable. It happens.
This week's not looking. It hasn't looked good for Bitcoin price or the market price. There are some coins that are up, but also looking into next week is the Bitcoin future contracts expire every last Friday of the month, and we typically see a dump that week. At least
end of the month and futures contracts expire. I think they expire on the 26th, maybe the 28th, but that's always a biggie, and that's what we dealt with last month.
Yeah.
Or actually 2 months ago, end of February, I believe, when there was significant dumpage because of that, we thought,
Yeah.
So yeah, that's happening still. And then, yeah, so my overall market analysis for right now, and again, it is measuring hype, it is measuring sentiment, it is these things, but it is ultimately measuring technical analysis because, and then also, most importantly, we're measuring technical analysis on Bitcoin and why exactly. Bitcoin rules the market. Mm-hmm. If Bitcoin's moving up, the coins are typically following, unless it's parabolic, and then they just kind of pause. They're kind of freaked out. But yeah, if Bitcoin's moving down,
or you have massive hype promotion, Doge Day. They had people pumping Doge.
Yeah, hold on, just let me finish my thought. I'm sorry, I don't. I would finish my thought on that, and then we'll go touch on that. Um, uh, it's gone.
It's gone. Finished it for
It's
you.
gone. Talking about something different.
Sorry,
Like,
we're talking about how Bitcoin is the market controller, basically. We're saying this is why
yes.
we look at the Bitcoin price.
Okay. So, point being, if it doesn't matter how beautiful the charts look for Ethereum's due, or Cardano is gonna pump with this new news. All those things don't mean anything. If the leader goes down, the whole market goes down. It takes down all the water of all the friggin' tide. Like the tide recedes, the water lowers for all altcoins. So I was thinking, I almost baited into that before when I was looking at dumping my the Cardano. So I was like, wait a second. But anyways, Cardano doesn't look that good, but ETH does, and I do hold ETH too. But yeah, like I said, if Bitcoin drops, the market drops. It doesn't matter what other news or whatever, anything.
It seems like when Bitcoin like starts to fly up a couple thousand, other coins drop as well because they're selling out of that. They're like, I need to get back into Bitcoin. And also when Bitcoin price drops quickly, the whole market drops because the value is based off of basically Bitcoin. So
right,
if the price goes up dramatically in either direction, most other coins are red.
Right, and I think it's because so many trading pairs are ADA, BTC, etc. BTC. They're all essentially riding on this BTC platform. So, because of that, because of the trading pairs, like you're spot on, Corey, when you say like people are flooding out of altcoins and into Bitcoin when it lowers because those altcoins are losing so much value in BTC to ADA value. You know what I mean?
Right.
Like a lot.
Right.
They tank on those. So yeah, BTC is like the safe haven in that aspect. But yeah, that's where we're going, guys. Probably until beginning of May because of those contracts, or maybe a few days before May, maybe the very end of April, we'll start moving, like for real moving. Like right now, we're going to go sideways and down.
You think the futures, the new futures contracts that are going to introduce early next month, are going to be good or bad for the price for Bitcoin?
How many are there going to be? Like, you know what I mean? Like 6 million or 6 billion or whatever. Depends. One other thing I was just thinking of is like, dude, like, I think personally Big Money likes to wreck these little guys and wreck like the YouTubers and the Bit Boys and all that stuff. I think they like to wreck them because they don't think that those guys have went through the scrapes and tears of learning real finance, and they're just coming in for this let's hit it money while it's hot. And
the season,
the game tends to even itself out. Those that are more experienced win more, and those that go in and ape in and or just fundamental and no TA and all that stuff, like, hey, dude, you kind of get ruined. Yeah. Oh, that other last thing that I was thinking is how, like, just like how we always know that when everybody thinks it's supposed to go one way, the entire market goes the other way, and maybe the big dogs play on that. But all the other months in all history for April are for every.
Hang on a second.
We got some audio issues.
Yeah. Okay, we're good.
All right. So all the charts and everything for all the other cycles, all saying April's always green. We should be green. Guess what, dude? Whatever you least expect is going to happen. And like I said, the big dogs could play on that. So they could be like, oh, this is great. We're going to freaking bull trap so many people. Sideways action for another month or so, or downward action, slowly bleed. And we're going to drain a ton of people from the positions, and we're going to buy back in lower, and then we're going to sell it to them later at a premium. That's the way the winners do it.
Yes.
That's what I see. Do we have comments or anybody on? What do we got going on?
We can see if we can make one real quick and see if it's actually working. Oh, I don't see any viewers though.
checking out my little appy. Do we have comments off?
I just sent one,
Oh,
so let's see if it pops up. No, we got. I just look at the screen. I just sent one. It's working. Just we haven't got it yet. They'll come. Moon Boys. What do you guys think about that name?
Who?
I said Moon Boys. What do you guys think about that name?
Oh, right. Yeah, I mean, so we are Moon Boys because we know we are going to the moon, and we're freaking stoked for that. But we're also super realistic. We want to give you like live market analysis. You know what I mean? So if things are going a certain way, dude, we're not going to fluff it. We're not going to hype it just for like views or yay. You know,
No.
We'd rather be right.
Yeah. Also, we've been in this space a long time, so we've seen a lot of stuff that we think can be helpful for you guys.
Yeah, man, I've seen a lot of things. I've seen a lot of bull traps, which I personally think we're going into. But hey, dude, you know what? Some other funny stuff is all these coins coming out with the name Moon in the coin, like Safe Moon or Moon Rat or blah blah blah. Or Safe Coin. I commented in the group and it got a freaking ton of likes. I said, if they feel the need to put Safe or Moon in the name of the coin, just freaking laugh and run, you know?
Right.
No one nothing to do with that shit. It's just freaking, okay, those will pump probably. They'll have like this short pump cycle and you better time it nicely. Otherwise, you don't make money. You get stuck with a bag full of Safe crap.
Yeah, let's look at that Safe Moon and see how that's doing.
I'm probably pumping out of control, and then probably
it's down, but it was it's still up from like 2 days ago. It was like 300, not to 600.
Can you win in those? Yeah.
Yeah.
You got to be a fucking beast, though. I've won in them. I've definitely won in all coins, but then I've lost in so many too because timing, you know.
Look at this chart. It just pumped, and then they tried to dump. There were still buyers. They tried to dump. There's a little bit more buyers, and then they actually dumped. But we still got more buyers. It's like, how does this fucking work? Where are these coins coming from?
I mean, there's a lot of aping in, and there's a lot of I don't know, man. I do know it's just a lot of talk, a lot of hype, and a lot of social media blabber. So if you see that coin over and over and named over and over in a few groups, then you're like, feel inclined to buy this if you're new.
It sounds really cool. The name's cool. I don't like. There's a few.
What's the name? Safe Coin.
Safe Moon. It looks well
done. Okay.
It's got a lot of promotion. They did like a huge TikTok campaign, and it was all over Twitter. Like there was just like 110,000 tweets about it like 2 days ago.
So you put a lot of money in the marketing. It still kind of makes sense that it's just going to go.
But then you see like celebrities and stuff buying it or tweeting about it, like Nick Carter, whatever his name is from the Backstreet Boys. Like, yeah, I bought in on this. And I'm like,
oh, he's fucking ruined. I mean, he's an idiot.
Yeah. But anyway, what I was getting at, the coin sounds cool.
I'm sorry, he's up.
They take away 10% of the transaction if you try to buy these coins. So 10% of that, if you try to buy $100 worth, you get 90. Okay, 5% gets locked up, burned, whatever, and another 5% gets distributed to all the other wallet holders. Okay, which that sounds cool, right? But then when you go to sell it, there's another 10% fee. So that's now you're down to 20% off your fucking investment. You know what I'm saying? And then you see these red flags. Like when you see this, you're like, oh, I want to get out. So then you sell, and you lose either way. I don't know how long this project is going to be around. It started like a month ago. I wouldn't trust it. Maybe if you got in here and then you got out here, cool. But I don't know what to expect with this. The developers are anonymous. That's never good. So they're
would you ever invest your money into a company? Would you ever invest your money into a bank or a company or just anybody or anything? Would you ever invest your money into anything where you don't know who's behind it and you don't receive a product or a service or anything? You're just like, here's my money. Can you help me make more money? Would you ever do that with?
Only once, and it was with Bitcoin, but it was been around for a while, and I didn't throw much money, But now it's tested the time, It's proven that it wasn't an anonymous dub, or he had a name. Now we don't know where the fuck he is, or who.
Can I point out one humongous difference between Bitcoin and this coin? Bitcoin was number 1. It was world changing.
Yep.
This is number 10,000.
Yep.
This is shit. 2 things make a product succeed in this space. 1, a network of people, which apparently we have, and 2, an actual use. What is the actual use? Oh, give him more money and then make more money?
Yeah.
If that's the only use, that's not a use. That's not a real utility. That's not any product or that's not any service.
It's too good to be true. It is. If they're gonna
it's not too good. It's not. It's tanking.
No, I'm saying it sounds too good to be true. By the way, you're earning all these coins just from having it, but it's not good.
That's bad, dude. Stupid. Moving on to Doge, dude. What's up with Doge?
Doge.
It looked like it just took a crap on Doge Day.
Yeah, that didn't turn out too well. Their holiday.
Exactly the normal scenario. Buy the rumor, sell the news. So everybody bought the rumor a week before, and it hyped the night before, and it made it like 42 cents, and then it freaking dump on the day.
Yeah.
Of course, the market was kind of moving downwards, so it could have had some effect. I don't know, man. I got friggin' I got love for the Doge community. I personally had a little bit of Doge. I dumped it. I put in like $20 and I walked out with like 560. I'm cool with that. I sold it at 27.7 cents. I'm totally cool with that. And like I said, I have love for the community. I just don't have love or belief in the coin unless they do something. If they're doing something, that's different. And I took a look at their GitHub the other day, and I think they did add some Bitcoin code to it. So they're going to prepare for wallets, I believe, or prepare for maybe a multi-wallet, multi-chain wallet.
Yeah, 3 hours ago I had some updates. So they're active.
Yeah, let's look at their GitHub. I mean, but what are the updates? Very currency. Is that a fucking GitHub update?
No, that's what their name is.
Those are just comments.
Yeah, I don't fucking know.
Those are fucking stupid comments. Those are not GitHub commits, like real code. But I looked at all the other ones. There's
February.
I went digging through there. I guess they're doing something, but we'll see, man. We will freaking see. I heard they're going to do smart contracts with Flare. Oh
yeah.
Yeah. And I heard they could, like Charles Hoskinson, creator of Cardano. I seen him even sort of talking smack on it. And what's funny is that'd be hilarious if Doge came out with smart contracts before Cardano. You know what I mean? Because like it could actually happen. They could have smart contracts in a couple months.
That'd be cool. I mean, and also they probably just started working on it too, so it'd be like Cardano just got slapped in the face.
Yep. Yeah, Cardano 5 years working on it. Doge 4 months.
I really like Binance Coin. I know it's centralized, but fuck, I like it.
I like it for what they're doing for the time being.
Yeah.
They are a relief for the Ethereum gas fees. Guys, if you don't know that, you could seriously trade coins on the Binance Smart Chain, like way significantly cheaper, like 50 cents per transaction when it could cost $50 for gas fees on Ethereum chain.
Right.
You just use PancakeSwap instead of Uniswap. Dude, I heard I'm freaking stoked for Uniswap, dude.
Yeah,
they got version 3.0 coming out in like 2 or 3 weeks.
Yeah.
That's going to be exciting, dude.
They're probably doing airdrop.
I think they are doing an airdrop. I think they're also working on gasless transactions from someone that I heard from.
That'd be cool.
Zero gas. just I guess feeless transactions, or maybe a flat fee of like $1 USDT. I don't know.
A flat fee would be cool too.
Flat fee or $5, $10. I'd fine. It's way better than 57 or 47 or whatever it fluctuates. I'm fucking mad, you know. But yeah, so those are my thoughts on the current market. If there's any questions like for altcoins or anything, like let us know, guys. Like put it in the comments. Like seriously, let us know, because I am wide open to answer questions right now. Maybe we have nobody on.
Maybe we're not even live.
All right, hey, thanks guys. We're gonna kill it now.
Yeah,
please subscribe to the channel. We'll have more updates, definitely more lives and videos coming soon. So yeah,
like,
you want to
subscribe?
Oh, sorry, go ahead.
Said like, comment, subscribe, and then we'll be posting these videos as much as we can.
Yeah, most importantly, like when you hit that subscribe button too, like click that little bell, dude. Really important to do that, because YouTube has actually been like gatekeeping crypto content. And if you want to stay up to date in like a very time sensitive market, then and get our videos as soon as they come out, you want to click the bell. That'll give you a notification on your phone or device and let you know, hey, Mike and Corey are live on the Moon Boys, and they've got some serious shit to share with you.
That's right.
Cool, man. Let's kill it and let's check what's up.
Sounds good.
All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.